Hello, guys. Steph Rich Parker here, CEO of the Moxie Maids, and I wanted to pop in and talk to you guys because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing well myself. And one thing I wanted to briefly talk about is a little bit about me. So, like most of you, I am a busy working professional. I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business, obviously, as you guys know. And one thing I value the most is my time and my freedom. So, work keeps me extremely busy. I am so grateful and thankful to have a home to come to, a nice clean home to come to. And it all starts with getting help and buying some of my time back. So, here's to you. Thanks for watching.